Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best primer for bathroom in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 1. Spruce Best Paint and Amp Primer. If you are looking for primers for bathroom walls, you have come to the right place. The Spruce Best Home by KILZ Interior Paint and Primer comes with many excellent features to meet your expectations. Find out the review of this product below to make your decision. Key features. Variety of colors. A fantastic feature of this product comes in 32 designer colors to make your bathroom walls wonderful. It doesn't matter whether you need timeless neutral shades or bold statement colors, this paint and primer always have a solution for you. Matte, satin, or semi-gloss, you can choose from these available sheens to get the job done. Easy application. The application procedure of this paint and primer is so easy. A brush, roller, or even an airless sprayer will be good enough to get the job done. This fantastic product comes with ample coverage to provide you beautiful and protected bathroom walls. Durability. Another exciting feature of the product is it's easy to clean, so that you can wash this water-based paint with general soapy water. Besides, this paint comes with a high durability level. Durability is a major concern for everybody, especially when you are using a primer. Advantages. Product dimensions, 6.63 by 6.63 by 7.76 inches. Mildew-resistant finish. 32 foolproof colors. Item weight, 11.39 pounds. Disadvantages. 32 designer colors from 3 sheens. Washable and easy to clean. At number 2. KILZ L211101 Primer/Sealer. If you need the best primer for drywall, then you have landed at the correct place. KILZ L211101 Adhesion High Bonding Interior Latex Primer comes with many excellent features to fulfill your requirements. Find a detailed review of this product below so that you can make your ultimate decision wisely. Key features. Dries quickly. Another exciting feature of this primer is it dries quickly. You can touch the wall within 30 minutes of application, and the wall will be ready to recoat within an hour. Premium quality material. You can't deny, a reputed brand always serves us with only premium quality products. KILZ has a long-earned reputation for providing premium paints in the market. The premium quality material that is used in the manufacturing process will provide you with excellent performance. Wide usage. This superb product is highly effective and comes with a wide range of applications. You can use this primer both on internal and external surfaces where using a primer is not easy. Advantages. Wide range of application. Unique primer. Highly durable. Dries quickly. Disadvantages. Not suitable for stain blocking. At number 3. KILZ Restoration Primer/Sealer. Wouldn't it be keen to get a water-based primer that can perform just like an oil-based product and provide you with an outstanding level of performance? Of course, that would be awesome. Find out the highlighted review of all of this model's critical features and know what you will get from this product. Key features. Water-based primer. One exciting feature of this excellent primer is it is a water-based primer that can also be used as a sealer and stain blocker. The new technology used in this product makes sure that even though it's a water-based product, you'll get all of the benefits of oil-based products from it, which is exciting. Easy application. When it comes to applying this primer, you can do it straightforwardly and quickly. You can use a brush, roller, or even an airless sprayer to apply this primer to the wall. Odor blocker. Another important thing is it works as the ultimate odor blocker. The unique odor blocking properties that it possesses are specially designed to seal out any level of odors. So, whether you need to block odors from smoke, food, or pet, you can easily use this to stop it. Advantages: block permanent marker or graffiti. Tackles heavy water stains. Blocks odor effectively. Cleans up easily. Disadvantages: some users found quality issues. At number 4, Kills Restoration Primer/Sealer. If you need the best primer for new drywall in the bathroom, you always need a primer that comes with top-notch quality. Prestige Interior Paint and Primer have exclusive specifications which will give you the perfect reason to choose it. Find the review of this model to help you for making the right decision. Key features: premium quality. The ultra-premium top-notch quality of this prestige paint is awesome and you'll get the next level of user's experience. When it comes to self-prime adequately prepared uncoated drywall, plaster, or the previously painted surfaces, this acrylic latex interior paint will give you the most optimum solution. Easy cleanup. Not every type of paint or primer will give you the opportunity to clean up easily. Thanks to Prestige Paints for this excellent product, as the wall can be cleaned up easily with soap and water. Besides, this paint will provide you with a high level of durability. Wide usage. This fantastic product can be used in a wide range of areas. Most importantly, they are highly suitable for use in the bathrooms and kitchen for their effectiveness, even in a humid environment. Advantages: suitable for bathroom and kitchen wall. You can apply easily. Highly durable and washable. Easy cleanup. Disadvantages: smells bad. At number 5, Kills Premium High Hide Primer/Sealer. The KILZ Premium High Hide Latex Primer secured its position in our list for many reasons. This exclusive product comes with so many superb features to solve your problems to protect the bathroom or kitchen wall. Find out the reasons below why you should choose it so that you can make your buying decision carefully. Key features: water-based formula. This product's most exciting feature is it is made with an innovative water-based formula to seal surfaces and block any kind of rough and challenging stains. This primer or sealer is so perfect for hiding any variety of previous colors of the surface, and the adhesion it provides is just tremendous. Easy cleanup. Another excellent specification of this low-odor primer is that the cleaning up process is easy and straightforward. You can easily clean or wash the wall by using soup and water. Application. The application process of this primer or sealer is relatively easy and straightforward. You can use a brush, roller, or sprayer to apply the primer to the wall. Advantages: stain-blocking primer. Great performance. Highly durable and easily washable. Easy application. Disadvantages: a few users found issues with coverage. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.